Well, nowhere to start, but I left the shelter this morning probably around 6 o'clock and about 2 miles to the road. I started hitching and I was there maybe like hitching for like 5 minutes, and a lady pulled over, picked me up, and she said that she hosts hikers. So she asked me if I wanted to come to her house, and she cooked me breakfast, and I get a shower and laundry. I said, yeah, sure, sounds awesome. So that's where I'm at. I'm in the room. I was just planning to get back on trail, but I'm pretty sure I can stay here tonight. I probably will. Got my own bathroom. Back there's my own bathroom. It's like, wow. Unbelievable. I think the people are so nice. Okay, I'm back. I just got a shower. Feel a lot cleaner. Got my laundry going downstairs. She's in there making me breakfast. Crazy. Yeah, just FYI, there's definitely awesome people still in the world. They're out there. Might not seem it at times like there is, but there is. Just looking outside. Looking out, it's very nice here. This house is huge. But yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna go out and socialize. I'm not gonna stay in my room. But I think I'll probably stay here tonight. Get back on trail tomorrow. And I'll keep you updated. Well, I'm just trying to put my resupply together for the next 50 miles. She has like a whole cupboard full of hiker food for us. Oh, there's a dog. But anyway, I'll show you all the food that she has for the hikers. I don't think I'm gonna need to go to the store. I think I'm gonna be able to resupply right here. I'll flip you around. But she has all this food for us. It's crazy. This helps out a lot with our expenses, because if I go resupply at the gas station, it could cost me like for $35 for like 50-60 miles. But she loves taking care of the hikers. You can definitely see it. Very special person. Very grateful. When you're on the trail, for over 1,600 miles. Stuff like this. It's very special. I'll never forget this thought for sure. But anyway, I'll keep you updated. I'll talk to you later. Yeah, Rachel just dropped me off downtown just to walk around, check the place out. It's very nice down here. A lot of restaurants and boutique type stores, bookstores. But yeah, very nice bookstore here. But anyway, there's an outfitter I just went to, and I bought me a bug net because mosquitoes are kind of bad. You always complain about bugs. I always got bugs. But anyway, just thought I'd check in a little bit, let you know what's going on. But anyway, thinking about maybe I'm gonna zero here. Still got some nasty weather coming in. kind of want it to pass for I have to hike in the rain. I tell myself the trail's not going nowhere, so I might stay here another night, but that's fine. I'll check in later. I thought I'd better turn the phone on and give you an update. I'm still at Rachel and Michael's home. They said I can stay as long as I want. They've been very, very accommodating for me. The weather's been not great. I guess there's a tropical storm that's moving through. I was planning to get on trail tomorrow, but looks like still more rain. I'm kind of playing by ear. If it looks like I have a chance to get back on trail tomorrow, I'll definitely jump on. So feel like I need to get up the trail, but it's very comfortable here. We had dinner last night, and there was 2 other guests that were here playing the piano and really good food. Yeah, everything's very nice here. It does feel like home. Very, very homey here. And like I said, I can stay as long as I want. So, but I think I stayed last night, so I'll stay tonight, and a possibility I might stay one more night. But I love it here, but I know I need to get back on trail. But I want to be safe. I don't want to get caught on trail in some bad rain and cold. Maybe if I was a little bit younger and I'd be on trail. I'm sure there's a ton of people on trail right now that are probably not loving it. But we were trying to get, I know there's some hikers that were trying to get in here, but they were a little bit too far away to get off trail. So I guess they spend the night on the trail. There's still a chance that maybe we might get a few hikers off the trail where they don't have to spend the night out there wet and cold, but we'll see what happens. But anyway, I'm gonna get another shower and I'll check in later, let you know what the weather's looking like. I'm not sure if this tropical storm is from that hurricane that was kind of down by North Carolina or something. Hurricane Danny or something. I don't know for sure because I don't have cell service all the time when I'm on trail, so I don't know what's going on in the world sometimes. But I'm guessing that's what this is from. But it seems like it's moving pretty fast out like northeast, out to the ocean. So hopefully we'll get some good weather here soon. Like keep heading north. But anyway, this is even though it's a pause in my hike, it's a good pause, so I get a chance to give my body a rest, try to heal up some things that have been bothering me for a little while. Like, feet always need a rest. But anyway, rambling again. All right, talk to you later.